Good morning, everyone. I, Alicia from Class 6B, am here to begin today's assembly. Today's assembly is all about a powerful idea. Reimagine waste, create less, care more. We often think waste is useless, but actually, waste isn't waste until we waste it. Let's explore how small actions can make a big difference.
Today's thought of the day is waste isn't just what we throw away, it's what we feel to value. When we create less and care more, we don't only protect the planet, we also reimagine our futures.
Now, it's riddle time. I grow when you don't notice me. I shrink when you care. I'm everywhere, yet invisible. What am I? Take a moment to think about your answers and please put them in the chat box or raise your hand. Now, the answer is waste. When we ignore it, it grows, and when we care, it reduces.
Reimagining waste means seeing value in what we throw away.
And it's about creating less and caring more for our planet and our future.
Why do we need to reimagine waste?
Every year, millions of tons of waste end up in landfills and oceans.
But so much of this waste can actually be reduced, reused, or recycled.
Reimagining waste means shifting our mindset from disposal to responsibility.
Or crashing one bin. Easy peasy.
Kabir, what are you doing? Plastic, food, paper all in one bin? That's a disaster.
Convenience. One bin. Less work.
Convenience today, pollution tomorrow. Do you know what happens when you mix waste? Plastic goes to landfill. Food gets rot and releases harmful gases. The big deal is segregation. 2 bins. Green bin for wet waste like food and pins. Blue bin for paper and plastic. It's easy, even a toddler can do that. Want to try?
Yeah, sure. Plastic and paper in blue bin. Hey, this is easy and fun.
Very good, Kabir.
I'm Echo Kabir now. From careless to conscious. 2 bins, 0x users.
Let's try an online activity to test our knowledge. Please put your answers in the chat box and where you think it belongs. Paper and envelopes.
Or you can unmute yourself, everyone, and say the answers.
Recycling.
We'll show a few items and you help us decide how to reuse them. Drop your answers in the chat box or raise your hands. Plastic bottle.
Recycling.
That's a nice idea.
Like, how can you do that? Like, what useful?
Decor, that's also good.
Yeah, somebody put flowers decor. That's really nice.
I've seen a thing where they basically make bricks out of crushed bottles, plastic bottles.
Yes, that's also a nice idea.
Next up, old cloth or t-shirt.
Shopping bag. Okay.
Shopping bag is
What small change can you make today to create less waste? Does anyone want to share?
Like we need to throw the things in a don't throw the things in an environment.
We should buy only what we will use and not unnecessarily buy and waste the things.
Yes, that is very true. We should not buy things which we do not need, and we should help the planet since we live in the planet and it's our duty. Okay, everyone, nice answers.
Someone put reusable water bottle instead of single-use plastic bottles, which is also a good idea.
And what does reimagine waste mean to you personally?
To make the waste not in negative way, we reimagine, we make the waste a purposeful thing.
Very nice, Chitra.
Little tiny kids have done it really, really well. I mean, amazingly, they have performed. The energy, the theme they have chosen was so good. So I hope we all have learned something from this, and we will assume that now nothing is waste.
Thank you for being a wonderful audience. Together, let's build a cleaner, greener world by reimagining waste. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.